Hi, today is the question answer session. In this session, we will discuss the commonly asked questions which every beginner asks. So let's get started. The number one question which every beginner asks is that when our package arrive to our customer, they will clearly see that this product come from AliExpress, not from our store. So they will get disappointed. The answer for this is that when we order the product on AliExpress, we clearly mention in the notes when before ordering that this product is for drop shipping. Please don't mention any branding on it. So the seller will know that this is a drop shipping product. They will not add any branding on the package. The next question mostly asked is that the price of the product will clearly mention on the package, like this sticker is selling at 0.70 or this watch is selling 1.2028 dollar. It is mentioned on the package. The seller the customer will know that this product is this price and we are selling too much high. This problem is easily solved, or this addressed is that if someone asks you this question, you simply add that this price is before adding the custom duties and shipping cost, and you can satisfy them with different answers. The next question that every beginner mostly asks, that we started a store 3 days ago, we started a store 10 days ago, and we don't get any sales. Sales don't come like that. You have to stay in the market at least 3 to 4 months before you get any following in your social accounts. Like if you have Instagram account, you at least you have 5,000 to 8,000 following to get some organic real traffic so that you can start getting sales. Some of the people get sales from first day, but this occur very rare. You have to stay in the market for up 2 to 3 months. You will learn different marketing skills, different things every new day. For for learning every new things and new skill, you can also join my channel and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. I daily upload new exciting videos about Shopify and winning products and profitable niches. You will get a lot of knowledge from my channel also. So the next question also ask from me that which marketing platform we will prefer. I mostly say people Instagram and Pinterest you will target. As a beginner, you have low budget for your marketing, so Instagram is a low budget platform. You can easily follow and unfollow. In 2 to 3 months, you can generate 5,000 to 8,000 following easily if you can like in every tags. And I will upload these videos on my channel. Also, I'm marketing about Shopify in next few days. You can easily target some tags and you can easily increase your following, real organic following in 2 to 3 months. Then the Pinterest is also best platform for this. There is a lot of US and mainly rich countries traffic on these platforms. You can target it. Another question is asked that is there a drop shipping? Can we do a drop shipping worldwide? Yes, drop shipping has no boundary. You can do in every country. You can sit in Asia and Europe. You where you want to start drop shipping is easy to start in no country if you have your payment gateways. The another question is asked that is drop shippers are earning money or this is all fake? This question is mostly asked from me that this is all fake and no one is earning any real money. That is totally wrong. People are earning millions of dollars from this method and they are still earning. They find best products, they just drop ship them and they are earning. People are, I see the people selling this $1 watch in almost for $50, $60, which is 50, 60 times this product price. And that's quite amazing. They if they spend on ads $20 per sale and they are running conversion L, then they are also getting the profit of $30. It's amazing about dropshipping. And mostly common question is that if we get the return, so what we will do? In this case happen very rarely. If the return comes, you can have two choices: either refund the customer or take the product on your country or your place. and then send the new product to them. You can deal with different methods according to your brand. If your brand is high values and getting a lot of sales, you can handle this situation differently. If you are beginner, you can handle this situation differently. So that's all from this question answer session. If you have any other question, please comments below. I will properly guide you with all the things. So also please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thanks.